Mayak ay masdin tako amin. Good afternoon to each and everyone. To our distinguished members of Congress. Kaya ko nga idubli, tadada ditoy. Ada niya po Congressman Mauricio Dumugan. Na ito'y di kaguguwapuan na Congressman. Ang objector kay kaabay na. Of course, we have Congressman Maximo Dalog Jr. And of course, we have our Assistant Secretary for the Office of the President for Northern Luzon. We have Asik Ana Carmela Remigio. So, salamat launay for your time. Fellow governors of the Cordillera Provinces, the city mayors of Baguio and Tabuk, our vice governors, ada dito'y mayors, and other local officials. Of course, we have our Sangguniang Panlalawigan of the province of Benguet. Kompleto na, awan pinag-absent. Representative from the private sector, civil society, regional directors and head of national government agencies, indigenous cultural communities, our guests, delegates, partners, and fellow Cordillerans, good afternoon. On behalf of the provincial government and the people of Benguet, it is my great honor and pleasure to welcome all of you to the province of Benguet for the opening of the 39th Cordillera Month celebration. We are very honored to host more than 1,000 delegates from Abra, Apayao, Ifugao, Kalinga, Mountain Province, Baguio City, and our own province of Benguet. Your presence today shows the continuing culture of unity that has always defined the Cordillera. Although we come from different provinces, cities, municipalities, and ethno-linguistic communities, we are bound by a common history, shared aspirations, and our very commitment for the progress of our region. Our gathering today illustrates our true strength as Cordillerans, which is found in our cooperation, resilience, respect for one another, and willingness to work together for the common good. This year's theme is Smart Cordillera, enabling local enterprise through digital transformation and accelerated regional autonomy. Speaks about opportunity and responsibility. Digital transformation provide new ways for our local enterprises, farmers, entrepreneurs, artisans, tourism stakeholders, and communities to reach wider market, improve their services, and participate more actively in the growing digital economy. However, becoming a smart Cordillera is not only about adopting new technologies, it is also about making sure that innovation reaches even our most remote communities, creates meaningful opportunities for our people, preserve our identity, and promote development that is inclusive and sustainable. The team also renews our long-standing aspirations for regional autonomy. We express our deepest gratitude to the past leaders, elders, advocates, and institutions whose courage and dedication keep the dream of autonomous Cordillera alive. These efforts laid the foundation upon which we now stand. As the saying goes, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. The journey towards regional autonomy may be long and challenging, but it's a journey we must continue together. I therefore encourage our present leaders, public servants, community representatives, and fellow Cordillerans to continue supporting and advancing this cause. Regional autonomy must remain a shared undertaking, one that is grounded in consultation, understanding, unity, and genuine desire to create a stronger and more responsive Cordillera region. As we begin this month-long celebration, may we also take the opportunity to appreciate the activities prepared by the different agencies and local government units. Let us enjoy the cultural presentation, exhibits, discussion, and other events that celebrate who we are as Cordillerans. More importantly, we may carry the values of the Cordillera, the values of unity, discipline, cooperation, respect, resilience, and service to the community. Let this value remain in our hearts and in the way we serve our people every day. Once again, welcome to Benguet. May your stay be meaningful, productive, and memorable. May this 39th Cordillera Month celebration strengthen our unity, inspire innovation, support our local enterprises, and bring us closer to a realization of a smart, progressive, and autonomous Cordillera. Happy Cordillera Month to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Melchor D. Diclas, Governor of the Province of Benguet.